Shubor naga Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Shangpung Government of a Primary School Shangpung ka kanre tarik unaiwing arajar arpusao kalaraki ye lingko dap shispa Snem lani ka Centenary Jubilee jong ka jinya linti jong ka school nadu bala seng ye ka house nem khat khandai spa arpusao ye ka lama bat ki shispa atli ki balloon lawan ban penher ro menteri ketenat water resources food and civil supply etc but MLA jong ka raliang constituency uba coming one umban ka jinga dan langu chief engineer PWD roads ka sarkar jilla uba di langstang ka joint director of school education and literacy but in charge SDS EO West Jentia Hills kong APSM ki officer sarkar nalor ki wei Hagani ka sniu kongsan la pliru yo maunong rim jong ka jingdap shispa Snem bat ka jing pelan ya ka souvenir da uma di langstang. Lapin po penping ye ka jing rakhi lom ba ka jing shat ba ka jing ruai ki balai sim bentar ki kena skul ki bala pendep ye ka jing pule badru naga slam ki sortenri Shangpung. Hashwa jong kani na kalyang ka kong suyam ka badai ka assistant kalayat ho ye ka history jong ka school Shangpung Government of a Primary School ka bala sedang de ka Welsh Presbyterian Mission bala ay kerteng ye ka kum ka Welsh Mission Middle English School Shangpung. Kat kum ka history ha ka snong Shangpung ka way ni ki jaka mission jong ka Welsh Presbyterian Mission ha ki kipor but shwa ban seng ya ka ME School ka mission ka sedang lepa ye ka upper primary school Hapo ka snong para ho Jngai Snem lapan ki kordan ya ka sya ka ME school ka basdang ya ka class 6. Hagini ka skin lang ka school ka lapan paru ya ka jingkemen ling ba ka jingirap jong UMLA ka than uba coming one umban na kaya ka tanat PWD building Jngai division badru ka PWD roads Shangpung division ki balapan prano ya ka school ka barim ban shna ya ka manan yele kai basketball ka kinro ringkat bat ka jing airport ban penbha ya ka surap ban lech ka school. Habakren hingga ke skin yang menteri ketenat water resources ula ai ke jingiro hagabede bat Mawmer uba ke Skul kala Kynjoh badru hagaju ko por ula ban halor ka jingfel jong ka puli puthi hapo ke jela ke dene ke jing bon sabapalat jong ki Skul henry wat akataru nakaliang jong ula ai men sim ya ke Skul bakanang ya syakmat na benta ban la ban wanra ya ke puli puthi ke bajanai na benta ban ai ke jingnang jing start ya ki kena Skul jong ka thai
Managing committee kat begino ka wana chem ngaji to la to ti kam no punyo ya kan ke building school. Siap kemen yo ne wa kan building school naman go yo so go na do karte kate. Ini udah ban 12 dap ni sis pas nem ngari school wana champion yo nga haji to kam no pun po pun pe. Ya kan ni jingdap sis pas nem yo ngari school. De perchang to ilat gulti Pemprai itu skor murim go emenia perdi tang mo konstan tam nga omipi kini hini waro kishodani go em kanto kikna skoru inoika lada ki nonika chimkieki nasnya harus lem mai pon usnya udah em di top 10 lagi ni skor mencuari yo ini Officer juga dari daya lek yo jok man di top 10 dengan school. Kwa ayowa. The quality is very important, not the quantity. Ngau mai pi kina score le. Baik kini berthai wi imi kat ni to berthai o e bhai imi. Kwa man competition hado kate. Lada pi grace tompi. Come on the team. Only the fittest can survive. Ngau ong ipi the boy kita kaput kawa im mi jing im go e ba. Have grace Tommy. Untuk dua kam sarkar ni go ye e jing im i wipu wibro. Ngayo i ka mindset yung i sisin na pa story gi kon waro to yo kam sarkar gi kon ni. Kanito ko em ha jabin yung i. Kawa pensi dor wat i kon gi tiga ni. Ela di ikon yogi, laga jong ga profession do ikwa gibe. Kadang tengah onai sengihini, ngaonga, untuk awak penro, untuk awak pempedung, cem awak kacnong yang itu kacnong. Kau bahag kita kecingin teli, kau bahag kecingin kerelang. Ngagar part ipi lang ini bro, rai yang ini message. Kacnong kataw yang ibro, iwang ipi to oman I dui birani. Lan iman yang kacnong go ipi go ipra ong ipi. Pichisin kaski daw kunmo pi. Wa yi ang nur iwa trang pi myo pi. Tajwa bungkot na nagaliang nga, ay wag ni jing tap chispa Snem yung ni Skul. Unang teng jing chakri ko bhatam. Kamtam yung iri yang ang ni kataw yung ni. Yo ikna. Ketika education ko bhatam. Yo pi hawas dang yak education sedang ganatre. Lada yo pi ga good foundation ong pi mandalai berap sejorong le. Rap yo pi ketika jing nang jing start ko pakar.
The school was then managed and controlled by the Welsh Presbyterian Mission itself and was also given the name Welsh Mission Middle English School, Shangpung. Shangpung village was one of the mission centers of the Welsh Presbyterian Mission in those days, and so long before the setting up of the ME school, the mission had already started an upper primary school in the village with class 3 up to class 5, and in the same year, it was upgraded to middle English school by opening the class 6. Therefore, it is interesting to mention that Babu Sosotan, the most distinguished Khasi poet and writer, was a teacher at this upper primary school during the Welsh mission, which probably believed that due to the serene beauty of Shangpung village, with its beautiful hills and dales, had lent him a poetic eye and stirred his imagination to become the most prominent Khasi poet and writer. By this time, the first headmaster of this newly established ME school was Babu Frank M. Pugh. The assistant teachers during this year were Mr. Pilking Sanlingdok, Mr. Elwell Merchiang, Ms. Kesilanong Tu, Mr. Oro Leswell Suchiang, and Ms. Gwen Simai Lapasang.